Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the key Forex market events leading into Monday, October 28, 2024. From recent trends in major pairs to economic signals to watch, I'm breaking down everything you need to know. So if you're ready to start your trading week with solid insights, stick around. First, let's quickly look back at Friday, October 25th. The dollar held firm against other major currencies, thanks largely to stronger-than-expected economic data from the US. We saw a fair bit of movement in the US dollar to Japanese yen pair, which remained volatile as the yen continued to feel the weight of the Bank of Japan's ultra-low rate policy. Additionally, the euro showed some resilience against the dollar despite recent economic worries in the eurozone. Friday's price action was fueled by investor sentiment surrounding the US economy and upcoming data releases. Overall, the dollar maintained strength due to healthy GDP numbers and positive employment data. Alright, now let's turn our attention to what's coming up on Monday. As we look ahead, there are a few specific factors that could stir the market. Several big data releases from Europe and the US are expected early next week. Watch out for Germany's upcoming Consumer Climate Index, which could impact the euro to US dollar pair, as well as durable goods orders from the US which may further strengthen or weaken the dollar based on how results align with forecasts. One big storyline to watch in the Forex world is how central banks react to ongoing inflation and recession risks. We know the Fed has been committed to keeping inflation in check, but with other central banks, especially the European Central Bank, taking a slightly more cautious approach, expect more volatility as traders speculate on rate adjustments. As we're in a moment where central banks are carefully weighing their moves, any hint of a policy shift from officials can trigger sudden market reactions. For Monday, it's all about whether the Fed's stance continues to boost the dollar against the euro and other currencies. Let's start with the euro to US dollar. Given the current economic climate, we're seeing downward pressure on the euro due to concerns over growth in Europe. However, with durable goods data from the US coming in on Monday, this pair could see some choppy trading. Traders should keep an eye on support levels around 1.0600 and resistance near 1.0800, which could act as key price points. If the Eurozone data surprises positively, we could see a slight euro recovery. But overall, the trend appears bearish for now. Next up is pound sterling to US dollar. With ongoing Brexit-related concerns and a hawkish Bank of England stance, the British pound has faced considerable volatility. Keep an eye on the 1.2000 support level, as any break below that could set the pair up for further declines. US dollar to Japanese yen remains one of the more unpredictable pairs lately, with Japan's central bank sticking to low interest rates despite inflationary pressure. Traders should monitor resistance levels near 150.00. Breaking that barrier could signal an even higher move if dollar strength continues. Moving over to the US dollar to Canadian dollar, oil prices will play a big role here. Given that Canada's economy is heavily tied to oil, any volatility in crude prices could affect the CAD. Key levels to watch: 1.3700 as support and 1.3900 as a resistance level. Let's also talk briefly about sentiment and technicals. Right now, market sentiment favors the dollar due to its status as a safe haven. The ongoing geopolitical concerns in the Middle East, as well as persistent inflation, continue to add pressure on other currencies. Technically, we're seeing that most dollar pairs are in an uptrend on the daily chart. RSI levels on many major pairs suggest the market could be close to overbought territory, so Monday may bring some pullbacks. News drives Forex like nothing else, so be ready for quick reactions to any updates that hit on Monday. With some pairs looking overextended, there might be a good opportunity for short-term trades, especially for those looking to trade counter to the primary trend. Just be mindful of risk and don't overleverage. Stick to established support and resistance levels, especially in a volatile environment like this. Trading within those zones can help manage risks while targeting realistic gains. Alright, folks, that wraps up our Forex forecast for Monday, October 28, 2024. Remember, this market can be unpredictable, so always stay informed and trade wisely. If you enjoyed this breakdown, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more daily insights, and let me know in the comments what pairs you're watching. Until next time, happy trading!